So as I'm here just relaxing, reviewing some beef jerky, I heard the sound coming from that tree. Let's see what we can pick up. It goes the sound. What is that? What is that? Is that an eagle? Oh my goodness, it's a woodpecker. No wonder that's the sound we're hearing. He's doing his job. Look at this. Oh, just broke off a hole of it. Trying to hold my phone steady. See that? Oh, that's cool. How awesome is that? Let me zoom in more. Also testing our zoom in capability. 20 times. Okay, let's zoom back out 10 times, 3 times, 2 times,